First thing you want to do is just Google Git download, and then the first thing you want to do is click on the thing that comes up, then click on download. Download will happen there. It'll take a few seconds to download. Once that's done, click on the executable. Now it may take a second for it to come up, the screen may flash, and then just click on next. And you can just skip on to the next two, then click install git bash, next, next. And here you want to have the git bash here and git UI, make sure they're ticked. Click on next and then just give it a name, go with git as the default. Use vim, yeah, next, and just do next, next for these two as well, and the rest of them as well. We'll just use the defaults. Once all of those are done and you've clicked next on all of them, the defaults are the best ones to go for in this case for us, and we just click on install. Now this is going to take a little bit longer. This part here is sped up by 1000%, so it will actually go 10 times slower depending on the specs of your PC. For me it's I have 8 gigs of RAM, Intel i5 processor, because it's generation 7. So, and once we've done that, we just click on finish. And if you want to see what version we have installed, we would just open up our command terminal and type in -git -version, and you'll see what version it is.